Hey bro, I heard you're looking for a pair of YEEZY Wave Runners. Don't worry about the $300-400. You came to the right place. I can get you a pair of YEEZY Wave Runners. Just chuck me $100, bank transfer, and I'll grab them out. I've got them on me right now. Put the money in? Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab them out. Here they are. Yeah, okay, the box, it's not a Yeezy box. There was a little bit of ran into a bit of an issue. The box got a little bit damaged. I got this box, Adidas, same thing. This is the YEEZY Wave Runner, okay, don't worry. No refunds, by the way, okay? You good with that? Cool. I'm trying to run a good business here, the most legitimate sneaker business. Here you go. The YEEZY Wave Runner. Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review, and today we are looking at the EQT Solution in the Wave Runner colorway. I am definitely not the first person who has drawn comparisons from this shoe to the YEEZY Wave Runner, and I certainly will not be the last. So yes, this shoe is called the EQT Solution, or it goes by another name of like FYW98, which is feet you wear. Either way, I'm gonna call it EQT Solution. Sounds a little bit better, but this colorway. So of course, there's a lot to get into in terms of the comparisons we can draw between this sneaker and of course the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Starting off with the general shape, it is a chunky dad shoe, which of course is synonymous with the Wave Runner. That was kind of the whole idea behind that sneaker, and you definitely get that vibe with this one. Very similar in terms of shape, and then the colorway. So yes, there is plenty of other colorways of this sneaker model. However, this one closely resembles the Wave Runner. Start off with this base color, this gray, very similar color palette to that Wave Runner. And then you get this green, which again is very similar, this black suede, and of course very light yellow neon laces, which you find, which I think are pretty much just a dead match. And then you get these peach 3 stripes in this very familiar looking oval shape on the side. Now it kind of looks like they took the exact same shape off of the Wave Runner and just enlarged it and then added another one in there. It's very similar in terms of placement down in the bottom corner on the outside of the sneaker. The color I'd say is dead on, looks very similar. All joking aside and everything aside from this being a very similar sneaker to the Wave Runner, I do think this sneaker stands on its own. Does look very nice in my opinion on feet. It's a very comfortable sneaker. It does run a little bit large and you can definitely feel that it is a wider set sneaker. However, for the general part, it's a pretty decent, comfortable sneaker. Don't forget that this is literally like a fourth of the price of the Wave Runner, and that is not even taking into account the resale market. So you are getting a pretty comfortable, affordable sneaker, which I think looks fantastic. So this sneaker, of course is inspired by the 90s, kind of definitely gives me retro vibes. You do get quite a crazy looking traction pattern, which is just in a rubber material. Moving up to the midsole, you do get adiprene, which of course was featured on the Yeezy 500 and plenty of other Adidas silhouettes. So adiprene is relatively comfortable, definitely nothing like Boost, which I guess is just the gold standard we all compare comfortability to nowadays. And moving up from that, you do get a lot of really nice feeling materials on the upper. So generally this base gray layer is just a mesh material. You do get some more perforated mesh in the green color at the top. And then you do get this nubuck suede material in all of the black portions, as well as the gray portion on the back. The materials are definitely not bad for a sneaker of this price tag. As for sizing, true to size, I mean, I definitely wouldn't go down. It does fit a little bit large, so maybe if you have very narrow feet, maybe think about going a half size down, but that is pretty much it. Just know if you get this sneaker, it's gonna be a little bit more of a wider fit. I don't think it should just be the sneaker that looks like the Wave Runner. I think it actually is quite a nice design and is definitely something that kind of stands on its own. But that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think of these. Do you think they bear no resemblance to the Yeezy Wave Runner and I am just reaching, or do you see exactly what I am seeing? Either way, let me know again down in the comment section. And of course, thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I will see you in the next video, and until then, however,